Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming safety. Park on level ground, set the brake, and turn off both vehicle and trailer power. Next, identify the connector type, 4-pin for lights only or 7-pin for brakes and auxiliary, so you know which circuits to check. Strip a small section of wire insulation where needed and apply dielectric grease to pins to prevent corrosion. Once done, align the plug, push to seat fully, and lock any latch. You'll want a solid mechanical and electrical connection before testing. You now test each circuit. Have an assistant press brakes and turn signals while you probe the plug with a multimeter to confirm 12V on the expected pins. If readings are correct, route the trailer harness along the frame using zip ties, keeping it off exhaust, suspension, and sharp edges to prevent chafing. Make sure ground wires are bolted to clean bare metal. A bad ground causes flicker or no lights. If voltage is low or intermittent, repin the connector or replace corroded sockets. You finish by doing a full function test. Walk around while an assistant operates brakes, turns, and running lights, confirming each lamp illuminates brightly and consistently. After that, tighten any loose connector fasteners, secure spare cable with a proper loop or hanger to relieve strain, and apply a final coat of grease to the plug. If something fails, start troubleshooting by verifying the ground connection and checking vehicle and trailer fuses. Then use continuity checks to isolate a broken wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.